In this video I'm going to show you how to do a complete setup of your Canon Pixma TS3460 printer. So let's start with the setup process. Plug in the power cable. Press the start button. Now we have to install the setup ink cartridges. So it has a color and black ink cartridge. So remove the seal. Take the ink cartridge out and also remove this orange seal. So take the black ink cartridge out, remove the orange seal. To install the setup ink cartridges, we have to go to the front chamber, open this door, press these buttons here. So these are the locks. Now place the black ink cartridge on the black side. Push the lock up. Now the color ink cartridge. Close the ink door. Just wait for the ink system to. Now load the paper tray. Adjust the size. A4 size sheet or a letter paper. Go to the printer screen and press OK to confirm. Now we have to do the wireless setup. I'm going to use my Android phone. So go to the Canon Print app. You can download this app from the App Store. In the app, click on the Add Your Printer or just select this printer icon. On the next screen, click on the If Printer Cannot Be Found. Select Auto Connection. Our printer has a button on the screen like this. Yes. So we have to press and hold it for 3 seconds. So that is a button here. So press and hold it for 3 seconds and release it. Go to your Android phone, confirm we have done it. It will display the Canon TS3460 series. Click OK. It will display your Wi-Fi network. Click yes. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Click OK. Setup is complete. If you want, you can print photos or click cancel for that and close this section. We can see our printer series available here, and we can start using this printer for wireless printing and scanning. For example, if I want to scan or print, I can go to the print section and you can just select any document you want to print and click on the print icon, click no, and if you want to change any settings, you can change it and give a print command. Now paper output tray is here. So the print quality is good. So this way we can do the complete setup of this printer and we can start using it. Thanks for watching.